For over 70 years, Silverson has been the leader in the development of high-speed, high-shear mixers, supplying customers throughout the world in industries as diverse as pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, foods, chemicals, and lube oils. At Silverson, we specialize in the manufacture and application of high-shear mixers that are capable of reducing mixing times by up to 90% when compared to conventional methods. The specially designed Silverson workhead also allows each mixer to disintegrate, dissolve, and homogenize at the same time. In this demonstration, sugar crystals are stirred by a conventional agitator. Despite the vigorous movement, the action of the agitator will still take a long time to dissolve the crystals. A high-shear mixer can achieve the same results in a matter of seconds. How is the high-shear mixer able to do this? The high-speed rotation of the rotor exerts a powerful suction, drawing liquid and solid materials upwards into the workhead. Centrifugal force then drives the materials towards the periphery of the workhead, where they are rapidly milled between the rotor blades and the stator. This is followed by intense hydraulic shear as the materials are forced out through the stator and back into the mix. Fresh material is continually drawn into the workhead, resulting in a circulatory pattern of mixing. As a result, aeration is reduced to a minimum. The Silverson design not only substantially reduces mixing times, but also allows the machine to operate far beyond the capabilities of a conventional agitator. For example, it's virtually impossible to form an emulsion with an agitator. Even with an emulsifying agent added, the solution will separate within seconds of the machine being switched off. A Silverson high-shear mixer produces an almost instantaneous stable emulsion with a typical droplet size of 2 to 5 microns. Finer emulsions down to 0.5 microns can be obtained depending on the formulation. Another common problem is dispersing gums and thickening agents with a conventional agitator. Thickening agents must be added slowly and carefully over a long period of time in order to prevent the kind of agglomerates seen here. Once such agglomerates have been formed, the agitator cannot disperse them. With a Silverson mixer, the powder can be added quickly and will form a clear, agglomerate-free solution. Identical results can be achieved with much larger volumes using production-scale Silverson mixers. The action of any Silverson mixer can be modified by the use of different workheads, which enable any machine to perform a wide range of functions. These workheads are quickly and easily changed. Our high-shear laboratory mixers are used all over the world for routine laboratory work, research and development, and small-scale production in all industries. With over 40 easily interchangeable assemblies available, they offer unrivaled versatility and provide an accurate means of scaling up from the laboratory to full production. Silverson high-shear batch mixers are ideal for small to medium volumes and are used for a wide variety of applications, providing high-quality results time after time. In addition to the standard models, we offer a number of mixers for specific requirements, such as the duplex, developed for the disintegration and solubilization of solid rubbers and polymers for the lube oil and adhesive industries, but its success has now seen its introduction into all fields of mixing, from chemicals to food. The Silverson UltraMix was developed for applications which are beyond the capabilities of a conventional agitator or stirrer, but do not necessarily require the intense high shear of a Silverson rotor-stator mixer. Ideal for incorporating larger volumes of powders and for high viscosity mixes, the single-piece sanitary mixing head is equally suited to aggressive chemical service and the most demanding sanitary standards. A complete range of inline mixers is available for the continuous processing or recycling of products. Self-pumping and aeration-free, their design makes it impossible for any material to bypass the workhead without being subjected to intense mechanical and hydraulic shear. The inline mixer's energy is concentrated on the small amount of product in the mixing chamber, allowing a relatively small mixer to process large volumes. Easily added to an existing process, a Silverson inline mixer can dramatically increase productivity, greatly reducing the mixing time while improving the product quality and uniformity. We also offer a range of high shear inline mixers for processing higher viscosity products. The Silverson Flash Mix was specifically designed for the continuous dispersion of powders into liquids. Powders are loaded at floor level. There's no need for conveying systems to get the powder into the vessel. Capable of incorporating up to 500 pounds of powder per minute, it gives a totally agglomerate-free product with a minimum of aeration. Typical applications include gums and thickeners, carbapol, flour, starches, and milk powder. The Flash Mix is easy to install, easy to operate, fully CIP-able, and does not require an additional feed pump. Silverson offers a range of sanitary bottom entry mixers. They are typically used in conjunction with a slow-speed anchor stirrer or scraper unit for high viscosity products, but they can also be used on their own for disintegrating large solids and to wet out powders. Silverson's D2500 is designed to disintegrate, solubilize, or disperse the largest of solids in a single operation, and can process whole bales of polymers and rubbers without the need for preliminary chopping or crumbing. This unique system is used by many of the world's major oil companies for the production of viscosity index improvers for lube oils. Since our beginning, Silverson has supplied customers in 150 countries. Increased productivity, reliability, and minimal maintenance requirements have all contributed to the growth of our large and loyal customer base. Silverson machines are a complete departure from the use of conventional mixers. They will increase efficiency, output, and profit. Silverson, the first name in high shear mixers.